Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, snowfall is going on here in Canada, and first time I'm not scared. You know why? Because I have got this electronic snow shovel. First time, instead of doing such manual efforts, I'm gonna do this uh, machinized effort. Okay, so I'm also gonna show you how to use this. This is electric snow shovel and this is corded, so that's why I'm gonna connect this with the machine. Okay, so very first thing is to connect it over here. Now the machine indeed comes with a recommended length. Make sure you do not breach it, and it's not too heavy. So two handles. So when you use it, hold one hand here, other here. Now in order to turn the machine on, first you need to press this button, okay, and then press this. You see? You hear? Let me just give So this was the first time ever I used this, okay, and I'm gonna try to show you even more. So guys, as I said, it's like two-step process. Step one is like put it at the right place, okay, press the small button and then button. And then press it. Wow, that's amazing. I really like this approach. Okay, now initially it looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna take it into deep snow. Okay, good, it was able to do. Yeah, I may need to do one or few more runs, but now I can say that this is a good product. So first you need to do this and get the initial layers out. Then if you want, you can salt the place so that anything that is remaining at the end can get melted. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.